In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to remove component Figma, how to delete a component in Figma. We're going to walk through a clean, reliable way to remove a component in Figma while keeping the visual design on your canvas intact. This approach uses an instance of the component, detaches it, and then removes the original component so it no longer appears in your assets. First, go to Figma and open the file that contains the component you want to remove. Make sure you're in the correct page or frame where the component lives so you can clearly see it on the canvas. When you select it, you'll notice a distinctive purple highlight and a small diamond icon. That purple outline is Figma's way of telling you this is a component. It means the object has a master definition that other instances can reference. Next, open the Assets panel. You'll find it in the left sidebar right next to your layers. Switching to Assets lets you see a list of available components in this file or from connected libraries. This is where you'll locate the component you plan to remove. Now select your component in the Assets panel. If you have a lot of components, you can use the search field at the top to filter by name. Selecting it simply prepares it for placement. You're not deleting anything yet. Click Insert Instance. Figma will place an instance of that component onto your canvas. This instance is a linked copy of the master component, so it will look identical and inherit changes from the master until we detach it. On the newly inserted instance, right-click and choose Detach Instance. Detaching breaks the link to the master and converts the instance into regular layers. This step is important because it preserves the visual content in your design even after you remove the original component. Once detached, the element will stay exactly as it appears without receiving any future updates from a component. Now, you can delete your existing component, select the original component definition, the one with the purple highlight and the component icon, and delete it. Removing this master takes it out of your file's component set, which means it will no longer show up in your assets list. Finally, go back to your file view and confirm that the component is gone from assets. Your detached content should still be visible on the canvas unchanged. That's your confirmation that the component was successfully removed while your design remained intact. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.